Cricket is a game that is well loved in India. Everyone loves the game, from poor village dwellers to posh city folk. A lot of people love playing cricket, but only a few are so good that they get to play the game professionally in front of a crowd. And that can lead to a previously underprivileged person becoming rich through their skills. Today, we will be discussing about many cricketers who have the Indian Premier League to thank for their riches today. Yashasvi Jaiswal. Yashasvi Jaiswal could very easily be painted as the poster boy for a rags to riches story because of his early life and how cricket changed his life. Born in Uttar Pradesh, Yashasvi Bhupendra Kumar Jaiswal was the fourth out of 6 children. His father was the owner of a small hardware store, whereas his mother was a housewife. From a very young age, Yashasvi was a skillful cricketer and interested in playing professionally. At the age of 10, he moved to Mumbai to receive cricket training at the Azad Maidan. He lived at a dairy shop in exchange for working as a cleaner. Living alone as a child in a foreign city was hard for Yashasvi, especially since his living condition was subpar and he had almost no financial support. He was forced to live in a tent near the Maidan when he was kicked out of the dairy shop for not being able to give his cleaning job enough time due to the time-consuming cricket practice. He lived without a stable home for 3 years before he was noticed by Jwala Singh, the owner of a cricket academy. The man would go on to become Yashasvi's mentor and legal guardian. Under his mentorship, Yashasvi would go on to play for different teams in the IPL. During the 2020 IPL auction, he was bought by the Shilpa Shetty-owned team Rajasthan Royals for about 2.4 crore. This not only brought Yashasvi to the limelight as a serious player, but also helped ensure that his and his family's quality of life greatly improved. His proud father says that his son has now fulfilled his dreams and made him famous among the people who used to call his dreams crazy. Thangarasu Natarajan. T. Natarajan got to live the dream that so many poor people in India have. That is, being able to earn enough money to treat your family and your parents to the best luxuries that the world has to offer. He did not only help his own family by improving their financial condition, but is also helping younger children fulfill their dreams through his charity work. Thangarasu Natarajan was born in a village near Salem, Tamil Nadu. The eldest of 5 siblings, he had to face a lot of difficulties in his childhood since his parents did not earn well enough to support a family of 7 people. His father was a weaver and his mother ran a small roadside food stall. There were days when the family had to go to bed hungry. All of this would change when he discovered his love for cricket. As a minor, he showed his prowess playing for his state. This led to him being bought by Kings 11 Punjab during the 2017 IPL auction for 3.6 crore rupees. In January 2018, he was bought by Sunrisers Hyderabad, who pay him about 4 crore for every season he plays. To say that IPL has changed the life of him and his family would be an understatement. Because of the money he earned, he was able to buy his family a new house and pay for his sister's education. He has a lovely family now with a wife and a son, and it has all been possible due to the money he was able to earn because of his IPL success. Once he helped his family, he did not shy away from charity and helped other children achieve their cricket dreams as well by opening up a non-profit cricket academy for little children. Chetan Sakaria. Another young man who used his capabilities to gain success and riches would be Chetan Sakaria. Sakaria is the son of a truck driver. Hailing from a poor family that could not even afford food some days, Sakaria lived a tough life. At one point, Sakaria's family could not even buy him shoes so he could play. Fortunately, he was noticed for his playing capabilities and given a chance to play for the Swarashtra team. There, he bonded with senior player Sheldon Jackson, who bought him new shoes so he could play. With the help of Sheldon, Chetan was able to play for the MRF Pace Foundation. He was bought by the team Rajasthan Royals for 1.2 crores ahead of 2021 IPL auction. Before he could treat his family to his riches, however, tragedy struck as both his father and his brother passed away. The team Rajasthan Royals gave him a jersey with his brother's initials with the words "Miss you bro." written along with it as a tribute to Sakariya's late brother. Sakariya has not only made his name in the domestic cricket world, but he has also played internationally for India in the T20 and ODI matches. Although his father and brother have moved on to the afterlife, he has been able to use his money to help his mother and his sister experience luxuries that they only could have dreamt of at one point. Mohammad Siraj. If there is someone who is the perfect embodiment of a self-made superstar, it is Mohammad Siraj. Siraj was born in Hyderabad in 1994 to an auto rickshaw driver. His father's income was not enough to support the family. The family was not able to afford even the most basic of things. This meant that Mohammad Siraj was not able to take any kind of classes to improve his game. Everything he has now, he earned through his own dedication and hard work. His hard work was fruitful when he was selected for playing in the Ranji Trophy tournament in 2015, but he gained real wealth when he was bought by Sunrisers Hyderabad in the 2017 IPL auction for about 2.6 crores. In 2018, he was bought by the Royal Challengers Bangalore for a large sum of money. Not only has he been able to make a name for himself in domestic cricket, but he also has made a mark for himself while playing internationally for India. The son of the auto rickshaw driver is now a rich man. He has been able to gain recognition and money for himself, and he has been able to help his family out financially. Because of his skills, his family now no longer has to worry about day-to-day expenses and are living a much stable and comfortable life. Unfortunately, his father passed away due to COVID recently, but before his demise, he got to see his son succeed and experienced an elevated quality of life. Hardik Pandya. When parents support their children's dream unconditionally, then they have the potential to achieve greatness. One example of this is Hardik Pandya. Born to a small car finance businessman, Hardik was born for greatness. His father was the first one to recognize his prowess. He moved out of Surat and shifted to Vadodara when Hardik was 5 so that he and his brother Krunal could join Kiran More's cricket academy. The family was so financially weak that they had to live in a rented apartment in Gorwa. Hardik Pandya dropped out of high school to focus more on his cricket career. Hardik Pandya had played cricket well as a state cricketer, but his life was changed forever when he was bought by Mumbai Indians for a huge sum of money. It was his amazing performance in the IPL that gave him the boost he needed to be included in the official international India team. Now, he is a very well-known Indian cricketer who has played internationally and made India proud. Although he has faced controversy in the past due to some tone-deaf statements he made during an episode of a talk show, he is still loved by millions and his cricket abilities are undeniably god tier. Hardik Pandya's father Himanshu Pandya passed away recently, but not before he had the fortune of seeing his sons become rich and famous. Nathu Singh. In the recent years, Nathu Singh has fallen into obscurity, but it doesn't change the fact that IPL has helped him lift his own family out of poverty. Nathu Singh was not born with a silver spoon in his mouth. His father used to be a farmer, but the burdens of running a big family led him to get a job at a wire factory in Rajasthan. The big family had to adjust to living in a small two-room house for decades due to the low income. But this all changed due to Nathu Singh's cricket capabilities. He played domestically for Rajasthan and took part in the Ranji Trophy tournament and the Vijay Hazare Trophy matches. His luck was about to change when he was bought by the Gujarat Lions in the 2017 IPL auction for about 50 lakhs. He was further bought by the Delhi Capitals for about 20 lakhs. He was further released from his contract by the Delhi Capitals. Nathu Singh may not still be playing the IPL today, but there is no doubt that his amazing skills were the reason he was able to get himself to the heights he reached. He was able to lift his family out of poverty and was able to get his family a proper house along with providing them help to elevate their financial position. Mumbai Indians' most famous debutant has ever since fallen out of favor with the IPL, but he has been able to turn his whole family's life around due to his performance in the IPL. So, this was our list of the most inspiring stories of cricketers whose life was forever changed due to their IPL careers. Was there another cricketer who you think should be on the list? Tell us in the comments down below. We hope you liked today's video, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss another video from the Cricket Highlight.